So now we start with this other determinants. There are few other determinants that do not fit into the groups A and B, and they are other, such, only, what, and the numbers 1, 2 and 3. So combination with group A determinants, we can form another, like with other we, if we add an, it becomes another. That is one word. My other sister, his only brother, the only way, 1 2 months, every 2 months, or my 5 pigeons. So all these are a new group, combination determinants. Combination determinants. Such and what come before the article A and. Such and what, they come before the article A and. Like A सच नहीं आएगा, such a means पहले ये लिखेंगे, उसके बाद आर्टिकल A या an लगेगा. Such a nice gift, what a pity, or what a unique painting, या what a umbrella, या whatever it is. If there is a word starting with vowel, so first of all we will use this word such or what, and then we'll see that word starts with either with a consonant or a vowel. So we will use article A and D. So I hope it is clear to you up till here. So fill in the blanks with a suitable combination of determinants. Now we start with this exercise, and I am giving you this for you to do it yourself. I have explained you all this, the combination of determinants, this part, this one, and this one also I have explained to you, and I think that all of you should do it yourself. Try it, give it a try, and then we will discuss we will see, or I will tell you the answers in the next class. I will read it for you. Julius Caesar was a great Roman general. Dash dash man had never lived in the history of Roman civilization. He lay dead, butchered by the assassin. Dash dash pity. Cinderella's mother died, leaving dash dash child orphaned, because Cinderella's father married dash women. The stepmother never liked Cinderella. The dash dash option left with Cinderella was to put up with the stepmother without complaining to her father. Yesterday I got dash dash books issued from the library. Dash dash books that I have borrowed have been left in my dormitory. I'll bring them tomorrow. Dormitory is a big hall-like room where so many beds can be laid. It's a big room, hall room. The milkman milked dash dash milk from the cow. Dash dash milk that he milked has been spilt now. Dash dash copies that were left with us have been sold. I'm not sure about their availability tomorrow. Our bookshop has dash dash branches. You can try in dash of dash. There is even dash dash chance of getting the book in the South Market branch. Last month I joined my new school. My class is 35 students strong. In the beginning dash of dash was my friend, but within a fortnight dash of the dash became my friends. There is a duo sitting in the last bench. Dash of the dash is a friend of anyone in my class. Dash of dash like these two boys because they behave like roadies. I still wonder dash of dash classmates is going to bell the cats by complaining against them to the class teacher. So I hope all of you will be able to do this. It is easy, you will be able to do this, don't worry about that. So as you just have to find it from here, that which combination determiner will fill the blank here.